Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my another training video. And this is Shiva guys. In this video guys, I will show you how you can make $100 per day on Instagram. So if this is your first time on this channel and if you don't know what is this channel about, so in this channel guys, I share how you can make your online business and how you can make money as an affiliate marketer. So I'm trying to make money online from last 1 year, and I have tried so many ways to make money online. And in this channel guys, I share my experience and my blueprint that I am following to make money as a affiliate marketer. So if you want to build your an online business as affiliate marketer, so you can check out my free course. You can check out the link in description of this free course. You will learn how you can create your online business. So this is completely free course guys. You don't have to require any kind of credit card. You just sign up for this free course and you will learn step by step the game plan, how the successful mindset, how you can create a successful mindset so that you can focus on your goal, what you want to achieve as an online marketer. And then the third step, you will learn about affiliate marketing, what is affiliate marketing, how this affiliate marketing work, and how you can choose a profitable niche, how you can choose a product. And the fourth step guys, you will learn lead generation, about how what is important in lead generation, the authority platform, YouTube marketing, forum marketing, targeted solo ads, traffic networks, email marketing, and what to do next. So you will learn step by step, and this training guys literally will help you to create your online business. So this is guys free course. You don't have required any kind of sorry, any kind of money. So you just click on the link in description and attend this and get your free course and start your training today, and your start your building your online business. So, and let's dive into our today's content. So how to make $100 per day on Instagram. So let me show you guys proof. So you can see I'm making this all money come from Instagram. $10, $25, $13, $25, $15. So what you have to do, you have to first create your Instagram page related to your niche, in which kind of niche you want to work. If you are a health and fitness niche, and if you want to work in wealth niche like affiliate marketing, how to make money online as affiliate marketer, or there are so many categories available. And in the relationship niche, so first of all what you have to do, you have to create your Instagram account, then you have to grow your Instagram account. So this technique guys, if you want to make on daily basis $100 on Instagram, first of all you have to grow your Instagram account. So you can see this is my Instagram account, law of attraction 777. So you can see right now I have 12,700 followers. So it took me 4 months to get this amount of follower. So first of all you have to grow your Instagram account. So you can grow your Instagram account. This is very simple work guys. You have to you have to post on daily basis 3 to 4 posts, and you have to post your stories every 3 hours, and every 3 hours you have to post your new story, because you post your story on consistent basis, people will notice that this Instagram account is very active. So people will follow those accounts who have active right now. So what you have to do, you have to post 3 story on every 3 hours, and you have to post 3 to 4 posts on consistent basis, daily basis. And if you are just starting your new page, so you can post 6 to 7 posts on daily basis. And what you have to do, you have to follow and unfollow people. So what you have to do, you have to, if you, let me show you, if you are interested in law of attraction niche, right? You want to promote, you want to work with law of attraction niche. So what you have to do, you have to search law of attraction live. So you can see this is, you have to model the page who are already successful and they have enough followers like 2 million, 3 million. So law of attraction live. So you can see they have 1.6 million followers. So what you have to do, you can copy their post, you can copy their post and you can post the same post on your page, and you can mention the credit, and this post is from law of attraction live. And if you posting 3 to 4 posts on daily basis, and what you have to do, you have to use minimum 15 tags related to law of attraction, like law of attraction, abundance, wealth, spirituality, meditation, and positivity. So you have to use minimum 15 to 20 tags in your every post, and these tags will help you to viral your post. And when your post will viral, and so many people see your post, and if they like your post, they will check out your Instagram page. And if they see your page is all about top attraction, they will follow you. And in this way you will increase your followers. And so first of all, you have to post your stories, and you have to post 3 to 4 posts on daily basis. And the third method, guys, to grow your Instagram account, and you have to check out the latest post of this page, and you have to click on likes, how many people like this post. So it means if they like this post, they are interested in law of attraction. So you have to follow all these people. So first of all, I want to mention that if you are starting your account right now, so you cannot directly follow 100 people, 200 people, and this is, guys, spamming. So what you have to do in your starting, you have to follow minimum 20 to 30 people on daily basis. If you are starting, if you created your account today, so today you have to follow 30 people, and tomorrow you will follow 30 people, and after 1 week or 2 week, you can follow about 50 people, and then you can follow 50 people every 1 hour. So this method will help you to grow your Instagram account fast. So now if you have enough followers, so what you have to do, you have to contact on those people who are just starting their Instagram account, and they don't have enough followers, and they are the same niche that you are. And you are, if you are a low attraction niche, and if you are a low weight loss niche, and you have above 10,000 followers, so you can contact them if they interested in weight loss niche and if they don't have enough followers, they are just starting. So you can contact them and you can ask them to help to grow their Instagram account. And so guys, I am charging right now $10 for each post. And so you can see I have received $10 for one post, and I am charging $25 for three posts. So you can post their photo on your Instagram page. So that way, if you are only just get three people, three pages on daily basis, and you are posting 10 posts on daily basis, and you are getting $10 each post, so you will get your $100 in a day. So this is guys very simple method, but first of all it requires some hard work to grow your Instagram account. Once you grow your Instagram account, then you can make a lot of money. So first of all, you can grow your Instagram account. So there is a benefit guys, there are so many benefits. You can post other people's post to grow their Instagram account. You can make money from that. And you, if you are doing affiliate marketing, so you can see there is a link of their affiliate offer, so you can mention your affiliate offer link in your bio. So you can also make money through your affiliate offer. So there is a two ways to make money on Instagram. So that's it guys, in today's video. I hope you get value from this, and if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel to get more tips and tricks to make money online as an affiliate marketer. And don't forget to access the free course on how to make build your online business. So this is completely free course. You can check the link in description, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye for now.